Asked whether he too will return his award, King Khan said, though nobody can ask him to give up anything which he doesn't want to, but he respects the people who have started the symbolical protest for the freedom of creativity. The actor said he still doesn't have any national award. First, felicitate him with a national award, then he will surely return it to join in the chorus. Shah Rukh praised the filmmakers and writers' symbolic gesture of returning awards for the freeing the art and creativity from religious boundaries. The superstar said he respected the people who showed courage and returned their awards.
Tolerance in a country means giving your point of view. And in the film industry or any creative field, there is कि हम discuss कर सकते हैं. इसमें ये नहीं है कि वो उनके against हैं कि उनके साथ हैं. But symbolically, it's fantastic. मेरी सिर्फ यही दुआ है और hope है कि जो symbolism उन्होंने शुरू किया है, उससे काम बेहतर हो जाए, उससे कुछ ना कुछ solve हो जाए. As far as you're asking me, I'm all for free creativity. But मैं उसके लिए award दूँ, ये दूँ, मेरे पास national award ही नहीं है. पहले मुझको award दो, फिर उसके बाद वापस करूँगा मैं.
Shah Rukh Khan said people who have joined in the crusade over emerging intolerance are quite brave and magnanimous. SRK said that with their symbolic initiative, they are trying to spread the message that creativity and art cannot be vanquished for any reason.
No, baby, nobody can ask me to give away anything that I don't want to give. Very, very clearly. I think symbolically, when some of the people have done that, I think they've not only been brave, I think they've been very magnanimous. They are making a comment very clearly that, listen, I don't believe creativity can be subjugated for any reason. But having said that, fully respecting them, and I think it's a great gesture. As far as I'm concerned, if I'm called upon to talk about the freedom of creativity in context with what is happening, I would rather take a stand, talk about it, go for if all of us have to be together, I'm together with that. I think it's the right thing to do, but I don't think symbolically I'm going to do that.
Powered by NNIS.